Hello folks, good afternoon. Welcome to another video. So for today, we're just gonna walk around here before I get home. I just finished my half chef in Palm Bay, and I just wanted to bring with me here in the Playa Grande. Just have a look guys how busy it is. It's 5 p.m. and it's on 19th of June. Still busy place. Look, it's a very beautiful day, very hot, and yeah, of course people loving it. And I think that's the one that's really attract people here in Lanzarote or in Canary Islands is the weather. Wow. Watch out the beach. Look how beautiful this one is. It's a little bit high tide, you know, as you can see it's much closer to the sand, but still nice place, and yeah, very relaxing to enjoy. Look, much further there is way better as well. That's very cool out here. Wow, happy days, very nice. That's the closest I can go right there, and it's 27 degrees. It's hot. It's nice. There's no breeze. It's just like pure summer, healthy, warm weather. So I think I have a ice cream to be, you know, to be fair. Look, I got chocolate ice cream and I'm enjoying myself. In this kind of weather, this is the best thing to do. And a very nice ice cream out there. This is a homemade ice cream. It's really nice. And imagine you're having some very nice ice cream, and you have this beautiful view that I have today. Look at that. I know in some part it's not very full, but I mean it's worth it to come here and enjoy this beautiful life, especially with this ice cream. Yummy. So I just finished my beautiful ice cream and it's melting right away. It's so hot. It's melt right away. So yeah, it's very nice weather. What else can I ask for? Now we're just gonna pass Palm Bay, and yeah, it's very quiet this afternoon. Maybe because everyone is in the beach, that's why. So yep. I think that will be fine. That guy in scooter nearly. That's a Palm Bay. Hi. Look how beautiful the beach is. It's very nice, cozy, and lovely. I'm here with my colleague in Palm Bay. Look how handsome he is. He's looking for a girl. If you're single or single mom.
Viene la niña. Algo así.
Very quiet here in Binida, because most of the people, I think, they are in the beach right now enjoying the beautiful life, having a tan skin, same as mine, you know. I think they do that. So this is a very quick update. I'm a little bit tired. Supposed to be, you know, if your day off, for example, if your day off today and your body kind of used to it, and then suddenly you work, very different ambience. You don't even want to work anymore, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's really sad, and it's really heavy one for me, but it's okay. It's for my wife. That's why I went for work. And yeah, enjoy the beautiful day. I mean, because Bella have last day of school, there's a lot of things, you know, about the classmates, celebration, all the stuff. So I let my wife go instead of me. I think she might good at it than me, talking to all the mothers around there. That's for sure. That's why I work. Anyway, El Kiosco, look, busy as ever. It's especially in the blue sky just like this. It's never failed, you know. It's very nice. Now, I don't know really what to say. I just want to share my day with you guys, and everything's, you know, working well around here. I know you don't see a lot of people around here walking. Some of the people are in the beach, some of people are in their apartments, in the pools. But maybe later on we're gonna try to go out this evening. Let's see. So you'll see the difference between morning, midday, and of course in the evening. I'm gonna try. I'm not promising anything. I'm gonna try. So I'm just enjoying myself walking to go home. I'm just happy seeing them people still need to work and I'm going home. That's the thing. Happy days. Very, very happy. Look, it's empty. Rafaela, it's empty. You know, they have the best uniform and they're very, very, very clean, as you can see. I like that. I used to work like that, with pants and long sleeves on, look neat, very clean. It's supposed to be like a waiters before. It's just like that. Very clean. Nowadays, it's like, look at me. I'm like a gangster. And even the golden corner is empty. The sun around here. People having their lunch now. Look, the most famous one. This I used to go and enjoy the coffee, enjoy the lifeline. And look at this. Diamond bar. And I still remember doing some cocktails for the people, but I'm not drinking anymore, you know. And everyone to go to the bar and they have some few drinks, I invite them with the cocktails. But our bosses are very different nowadays. They just don't like to share, so I'm just a waiter. Sometimes I tell them, invite them with a donut, invite them with this one. I say no, because it's very expensive. Alright. A short bar, short place. You know, just a point of gesture, if you know what I mean. You know, maybe they have like 100 euros spent there, or so many drinks spent right there. Just invite a couple of, you know, small things, small details, like a couple of donuts, or one free shot, one free cocktails, something like that, to give the gesture to the people. They don't, but they give some scarves sometimes, wallets. I know, to all the people that have been there, you know what I mean. You know, the kids giving you some scarves and lots of things sometimes, bags for the kids. Yeah, I mean, it's okay, but in the simple days, like a free shot, I don't know, they don't know it, so who am I to tell them that they need to give it for free? Yeah. So we're now here at this Asian Sunshine restaurant, and it's quiet here. You know, we went to the Centro. Even in Centro is quiet as well. There's not much people. Maybe, like I said, you know, they're all in the beach enjoying the beautiful weather. And look at this. You know, this morning we start our vlog here, and they're enjoying themselves. You know, we start the vlog here this morning and there's nobody else, just me and a couple of people. And now let's have a look. Oh, locals is here enjoying the beautiful life. Wow, very nice. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. This is my house. My house is in the other side, actually, in the other side. I just want to walk home and, you know, bring you with me so I can share things around. So that's it, folks. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see you the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.